Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another cool product. This is from MonsterStore.com. It's the Monster Illuminessence 2 LED Bulb Mood Light Kit. This thing is pretty cool. It comes with a lot of different features. What's nice about it is it's very, very, very inexpensive. It doesn't require an app. You don't have to hook it up to your Wi-Fi and go through all that pain and grievance. It works on a premium RF touch remote that controls all the lights at the same time. And it's interchangeable with a lot of different products that they have as well. So this is pretty cool. It gives you 2 LED light bulbs that you can take and use, and of course you can set different multicolored mood lighting, if you will. It can do just normal white if you want, basically LED dimmable bulbs. And there's a lot of different things you can do with the remote controller. The remote controller is a little odd. There's not really like an on-off switch. It's kind of a slide on-off switch, which takes a little getting used to. But once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy to do. 8 easy access preset light programs are built into the remote control. It's got 5 light programs for music, 3 light programs for holidays, coloring, brightness adjustment, preset light programs, Club 1, Club 2, Lounge, Beach, Sunset, Christmas, Independence, Halloween, and different speed where you can control the light for parties or just for slow, elegant change of atmosphere. Highly recommend these. You go to monsterstore.com. We were pretty impressed with them. We put them all over the place, including our bed, and the strips work really well. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.